Dear learners of class 10, welcome to the online class arranged by the authority of Dr. Khastagiri Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you all are fine, safe and sound, staying at home and passing your time effectively with your study, assignment, etc. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Before going to the lesson, I want to introduce myself. Here is my identity. I am Biplobhi Dhar, Senior Teacher English, Dr. Khastagiri Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Dear learners, let us go to our lesson. Look at the pictures. Do you know them? Why they are well known? Actually, we all love our country. Now it is an independent country. Once our country was not free. It was under British colonial rule for nearly 200 years. Do you know it? Many people of our country fought against this rule and sacrificed their lives to make our country free. Do you know some of them? Yes, if you see the pictures, you will see the lady is Pritilota and it is European club at Pahatuli. Then Surjo Sen, who were anti-British activists. During British period, they secretly organized a party and tried hard to drive away the British rulers and dreamed of making our country independent. Their dreams came true, but they could not see it in their lifetime. Today, we are going to learn about one of them. Okay, dear learners, our today's topic is They Had Dreams. Unit 10. The name of Unit 10 is Dreams, Lesson 3. All of you take your English for Today book. It is an English for Today class for the students of class 10. Today I want to discuss with you this unit because in your short syllabus of 2022, after Unit 7 comes Unit 10. It is included in your syllabus. For this, I want to discuss it and we have to complete our syllabus within a particular time and revise them. That is why I have selected or I want to discuss this important unit with you. Please open at page 133 and look at the lesson. Yes, lesson 3, They Had Dreams. In the beginning of the lesson, you will see a dialogue. Dialogue means conversation or discussion. You have to write dialogue writing because it is one of the topic in your English subject. Moreover, we make different types of dialogue in our day-to-day life. Dialogue is held between two persons or more than two persons on a different topic. Here, Shanta is chatting or gossiping, talking with one of her friends, Jenny. This is the dialogue. Tell what the subject of the conversation is. Jenny, Shanta, what's your dream? Dream means wish. Thinking for the future. To be a good human being first and then work for my country. No matter whether I become a social worker, an artist, or a professional. Here, professional means service holder or working in an office. Wow, I really appreciate your thought. Here you will get some new words. Note down them and write their meaning. I am discussing. Appreciate means praise. Say something good. Your thought. By the way, Shanta, does anyone inspire you in your dreams? Dreams means your aim in life, what you want to be. Certainly, I'm always influenced by the great personalities, means persons in our country and abroad. Whenever I read the biography, means, you know, biography means memoir or profile of great people, that is famous people. I try to understand how their dreams could Help them to be what they have been. Would you please tell me about some of your favorite dreamers? Dreamers means a person who helps you dream to be a great person, to work for the country. Sure, read the following text to know about some dreamers in my country. They are my icons as well. Look, icons means ideal, means dreamer as well. This is a dialogue between Shanta and Jenny. You have to make such a dialogue at the end of the lesson. Okay, so notice very carefully how dialogues are written. Now let us go to the next slide. It is activity B. It is the text against the picture of Pritilota. Actually, she was a Chittagonian lady, and we shall read to now about her. I am reading the passage aloud. You also listen to me and read silently with me. Pritilota was born in Chattogram on May 5, May 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School in Chattogram and Eden College, Dhaka. She graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Pritilota was an activist. Activist means worker of a social or political organization in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamt of two things. Keep in mind, two things she dreamt of. A society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. It is a great question actually to make our country, make our motherland free from British colonial rule. So she decided to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pritilota became the head teacher of Nandankanan Aparnacharan School in Chattogram. She gradually involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. Yes, here you see a word, resistance. Resistance means defense, defiance. Resistance movement. Movement means, you know, hesitation, to say. Or you can say activities for doing something. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist. That is one who wants to change, revolutionary. Who wants to make change, revolutionary. Activists in Chattogram area at that time in 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack, this raid on the Pahartuli European Club. You saw the picture, the Pahartuli European Club, where the British people stored their arms. The club was well known for its notorious sign at its entrance. You see notorious. Here, notorious means dishonorable. They wrote a notorious sign. Dogs and Indians are not allowed. Surya Sen assigned Pritilota to lead a team of 10 to 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful. But Pritilota, dressed as men, failed to get out of the club. Here you see in the picture, Pahartuli European Club. She committed suicide, that is, killed herself by taking potassium cyanide. Why? To avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule. From the British colonial rule. Her dream finally came true. The British people, British rule came to an end. It is finished. In 1947, though she couldn't see it during her lifetime. Dear students, here you have the text. Read the text carefully. Read the text carefully, and then we shall do some activity from your book and also from the slide. Okay. Now take your notebook and do this gap filling activity. do this gap filling activity. Here I have written a passage from this text based on the text, and in the gap you will write the appropriate word. At first thing, Pritilota was an active Desh of anti-British movement. She worked under the Desh of Shudra Sen. She was a teacher and had the dream of Bangladesh without British. She raised the European club at Pahartoli and became Desh, but unfortunately, she could not come out of it, and she Desh herself. Now write down 5 words, 5 appropriate words in 5 gaps based on the text we have already discussed. Now match your answer. The first one will be worker, then guidance, B, C, attracted, D, successful, and E, killed. Note down them correctly. Now let us go to the next slide. It is individual work. Here you will get the activity in your work in 134 pages. It is a matching activity. It is a matching activity. You have to match the meaning with the words given here. You also note down it. It is your classwork. The first one is graduated. The meaning will be, can you guess what is the meaning? Graduated means took a university degree. Took a university degree. Graduated. Activist. What will be the meaning of activist? A member of a certain social or political group. Movement. What is the meaning of movement here? The meaning of movement here is activities. Gender discrimination. Inequality between male and female. Colonial rule. Rule by a powerful country over a weaker country. Battle. Battle means fight. Battle means fight. Gradually. Step by step or slowly. Resistance. Resistance means battle. Then you see notorious. Notorious means dishonorable. Then the last one, assign. Now you are busy with assignment. From assign, the word is assignment. It is noun and assign is verb. Assign, what will be the meaning of assign? Give responsibilities. Note down these words. It will help you to understand the understand the text. Okay. I think you have note down graduated, activists, movement, gender discrimination, colonial rule, combat, gradually, resistance, notorious, assign. Okay, now dear students, let us go to the next slide. Here, section D, you see some question. Now answer the questions. Here you see 5 questions. I am discussing the questions with you. You must write the answer in your notebook. I hope you are ready with your notebook and write the answer. Where did Pritilota fight? You know, Pritilota was a patriot. She worked for making our country free from the British colonial rule. She fought in Chattogram. In 1932, she attacked the Pahartoli European Club. When did she fight? In 1932, she fought against British government, British ruler. Why did she fight? She fought against the British colonial rule to make her motherland free from their grasp, free from their rule, to make it independent. What was Prithilota's profession? Prithilota was a teacher. A teacher. Teaching was his profession. What do you learn from Prithilota's life? Actually, Prithilota is a dreamer. She encouraged the women and all to work for the country. We learn a lot from her. We should fight against any evil force, any harmful force that wants to harm our country and serve our nation unselfishly, wholeheartedly. Okay, dear students, these are the answers of the question. Now, and the activity. After answering the questions, you will do the next activity E. Here, you have to make 7 questions from the substitution table. And then you see at the right side, the answers, match the answers. One is done for you. You have to write the whole sentence, question sentence, and then the short answer. The first one is here. When was Prithilota born? When was Prithilota born? And you will write answer on May 1911. Then number 2. Start with where? Where was she born? In Chattogram. Answer will be in Chattogram. What did she graduate in? Philosophy. Why did Prithilota die? To fight against the British rule. What was the Prithilota Pahartoli European Club famous for? What was the Pahartoli European Club famous for? For its notorious sign. Dogs and Indians are not allowed. Actually, this is a notorious or dishonorable sign because in this sentence we see that the Indians are insulted by comparing with dogs. But they did it. Who assigned Prithilota to attack the club? Surya Sen. Then the last one, how did Prithilota die? How did Prithilota die? She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide. We have got this information in our text. So read the text carefully again, once and again, and then you will be able to answer them correctly. I think these questions and answers are clear to you. You will be able to write them in your notebook. Okay, dear learners, it's time to take a homework. After finishing your classwork, you have to do a homework. Okay. Now your homework will be write a dialogue. In the beginning of the lesson, I told you, you have to practice writing dialogue. So here I have given a homework for you. You practice it. Write a dialogue between you and your friend Nasreen about both of your dreams. Means wish or your thinking what you want to be in the future. Your dreams and include in your dialogue who inspired you to have such dream. Who inspired you to have such dream. Dear learners, I think it is clear to you about your homework. So it is time to say goodbye. Thank you all of you for your participation with patience. As it is the pandemic situation, you must stay home and stay safe. Maintain the rules of health and stay attentively. So that's all for today.